Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a 3-ingredient baby food recipe. It's going to be very easy. It'll just be made of butternut squash, cauliflower, and butter. So first, let's peel the squash using a knife. After you've peeled it, cut it in half and make sure to remove its seeds. Since we are making baby food, we don't really need to cook the entire squash and cauliflower because that will be too much. We'll only be needing half a cup of squash and a few florets of the cauliflower. Now for the cauliflower, you have to slice it or tear it into smaller pieces just so it'll be easier for your baby to chew it. Now we'll move it to a pan and add some water and then boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling, drain out the water and move the vegetables to a bowl. Now add a teaspoon of butter and mix it well until the butter is fully melted. And now we are done. Just make sure that you allow it to cool down before giving it to your baby. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you hit on like and don't forget to subscribe to see more of our videos.